Snowtex is one of the renowned export-oriented, diversified and integrated apparel manufacturer in Bangladesh, mastering the trade for the last 20 years. With the pace of modern manufacturing, it's built a green lead factory as Snowtex Outwear Ltd with Gold Standard LEED certification. Our commitment and standard to our valued customer has necessitated the development of the fourth green garments manufacturing industry as Snowtex Sportswear Ltd that is going to start its operation in the first quarter of 2019. Now Snowtex is a family of more than 11,000 dynamic members and it will cross 18,000 in 2020. With more than 11,000 human resources, 5,400 machines, 1.3 million standard hours per month production capacity and $150 million yearly turnover, Snowtex is a prominent name among apparel manufacturing industry. The organization has attracted talented personnel with diverse ideas and innovation from the entire nation. Being an eco-friendly manufacturing, the facility has achieved some phenomenal achievements. Using of world-class power generation, utility system and highly efficient lighting system to reduce the carbon emission 85%. Snowtex is equipped with world's best advanced technology machineries with very low power consumption, semi-automated and low noise pollution. All the machines, both heavy and light, have the inverter drive servo control technology and the power consumption saving up to 42% annually. The advanced water treatment plant purifies the water to provide hygienic drinking water for all occupants. It has its own lab where has the facility to inspect and test every item of the garments as well as cooked foods prior to serving to our partners. Each and every section of factory like cutting, sewing, finishing, printing, embroidery, sample, CAD and quilting has been well equipped by branded machineries. 75,000 square feet vast, organized warehouse can be used for large amount of fabric, accessories and finished goods. The facility offers a medical care center with in-house doctor, separate prayer rooms for male and female, daycare center for the children. The organization provides quality lunch for its 8,000 plus employees on a daily basis, completely free of charge. That gives our employees more satisfaction. Snowtex has a wide range of customers around the globe, which includes but not limited to producing the global products like different styles of jackets, sportswear, casual wear, and bottom for reputed brands labels. Because of its outstanding performance, it has achieved a lot of certification like RAP, WCA, BSCI, SEDEX, GSV, CTPAT, Decathlon, OCS, Oikotex, RDS, RFID, Accord and Alliance, LEED Gold Certificate by the US Green Building Council, Good Practice Award by ILO, Health and Safety Award from Ministry of Labor and Employment, Factory of the Year Award from Burn Apparels in the last 7 consecutive years, Best Improved Factory Award by Alpha Broda, Southeast Bank Green Award, Best Practice Award by RMG Times, etc. Continuous improvement is a great motto of Snowtex. By streamlining of manufacturing processes, upgrading new method, technology and attachments, maintaining 5S, Kaizen, sewing and quality SOP every day. It always ensures your safety measures to save our employees. we have sufficient assembly area for all employees to be assembled during emergency. All foods are prepared in the hygienic kitchen. Snowtex also endorses some good practices like skill development training for staff and worker, sports and co-curricular activities for all. The Snowtex mission is to develop long-term relationship with its partners, customers and suppliers, and workforce. Snowtex always works for the fairness of all employees, society, and country.